morning, dear children. So, we are continuing with order of operation, bottom up. But today is something different. You see brackets. But before we do these sums with brackets, there is a certain formula for the signs. Okay? It's easy. So, when we multiply plus and plus, what answer you get? When we multiply plus and minus, what sign is there? Okay, so let's do it. Plus, and when we multiply with plus, it becomes plus. Remember that. Okay, this you will understand later when I do these four sums. Plus into plus equals plus. Now when there is a plus sign and when we multiply with a minus sign, the answer will always become minus. Okay? Plus into minus, minus. Plus into plus, plus. Now, minus into minus. When we multiply minus into minus, what answer do you get? You get plus. Remember that. Whenever we multiply minus into minus, the answer is plus. For example, minus 2 into minus 2. First we have to multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus. The 2 2s are 4. Okay? So, and the last formula is minus into plus equals just like this. This is just the opposite. Plus into minus, we have minus into plus. So the answer is minus. That is only when we see the signs. In the first few sums, we may not have to use these formulas. But as we do larger sums, bigger sums, we may see these types of signs in front of the brackets. Okay? So ready? So plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into plus, minus. So let's do a few sums. So we've got 2, we have to open the bracket in bottom. There are 3 types of brackets. Semicircle, that is the innermost, then we have the curly, semicircle, then we have the curly, then we have the box bracket. And to close that bracket, for this we need to close it with the opposite end. For this, here also, and close it with the box. And in bottom we have to first start with the innermost bracket. And as we open ourselves, first the inside, then the outside, and in the end, the box bracket. And then whatever sums are there to be done, we need to do. So let's use this formula for these sums. So 2 plus into plus. Remember, when there is no sign, it means it is plus. Plus into plus, plus 4 plus 5. And the answer that you get, 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 11. Okay? Let's do this. Write 2 plus into minus. First you have to multiply the signs. Plus into minus, minus 4 plus 5. In bottom we must add first. 2 plus 5, 7 minus 4 equals 3. Did you get that? Okay? Later on, slowly by slowly, you will understand. So let's look at the third formula. Minus into minus. 2. We have to open the bracket because there is only one number here. Minus to minus plus 4 plus 5. And the answer is 11. Here, last one, using this formula, minus into plus. Multiply the sign, minus into plus, minus 4 plus 5. Bottom addition comes first, 2 plus 5, 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay? Now, in our sums, we may not have to use this type of formulas right now, but because we are doing order of operation, these sums may come up. But remember that plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus. minus into minus, plus, minus into plus, minus. I've used the same formula for these 4 different sums. Now this is just the beginning, just to explain this formula. Now we start the actual class, the actual teaching. Now the sums that we are going to do is much easier than the ones that were done here. So ready? Number 1, 3 plus 4 bracket multiplied by 5. 18 minus 3 divided by 5. Okay? You just see one type of bracket. Next, 9 divided by 6 minus 3. Next, number 4, 12 divided by 4 bracket plus 3. Now when you look at the sums, it may look difficult, but if you follow BODMAS, BODMAS, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, the sums are going to be very easy. So in BODMAS, what should we do first? We must do brackets, whatever is inside the brackets. Now whenever there is one number, we can open the brackets. So let's open this bracket, because when we add, we get one single digit. So 3 plus 4, 7 into 5. So simple. You just add the numbers that are in brackets. Now in what previously we were doing, there's plus, there's multiplication. We have to do multiplication, no? You would be thinking, but those are different types of sums. There were no brackets there. But here we have to do brackets, and in BODMAS, brackets come first. So 7 into 5, 35. And you got your answer. Let's do the next one. Brackets, when we subtract these two, how? We get one single digit. So as we get one single digit, we open the brackets. 18 minus 3, 15. So we have opened the bracket, divided by 5. 5 goes into 15 how many times? 5 3s are 15, and finished. We don't have to write the reciprocal and then do it. We can, because 5 divides 15 fully, we know 5 goes into 15 3 times, and the answer is 3. Let's look at this one. This remains the same. 9 divided by, derivate, subtract 6 minus 3, 3. Because you're going to get a single digit, you open the bracket. So 9 divided by 3 goes in 9 how many times? 3 3s are 9. Isn't it simple? It looks difficult, but it is simple when you follow BODMAS. Let's have a look at this. 12 divided by 4 bracket plus 3. So first we must, in this I forgot to underline. So let's underline this, because when we underline, it tells us that we must do this first. Okay? So 12 divided by 4. 4 goes in 12 how many times? 4. 3s are 12. 3 plus 3. How much? 6. So easy, no? So let's have a look here. First bracket, 3 plus 4, 7. Into 5, you get 35. You are going to do the brackets first. So underline 18 minus 3, 15 divided by 5, 3. You are going to do this bracket first. So this number comes down, divide 6 minus 3, 3. 3 goes in 9, 3 times. Brackets, you underline that, means that you are going to do this sum first. 4 goes in 12, 3 times, plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6. If you follow the rules, dear children, it will be very easy. Now here's some more sums, okay? 8 plus 7 divided by 3 plus 2. Okay, next one, let's write a different chalk. Bracket 7 plus bracket 80 divided by 9 bracket box bracket plus 3. Okay, so let's do one more. 15 minus 25 minus 5 bracket into 7 box bracket. Okay, are you ready? These sums may look difficult, but if you underline and go step by step, it's very, very easy. And you must follow board mass. So here we see 8 plus 7 bracket divided by 3 plus 2. Now because both these sums are in brackets, we can do it together. 8 plus 7, 15. We can open the bracket divided by 3 plus 2, 5. That's what you get after opening the brackets. Now 5 goes in 15 how many times? 3 times, and that is your answer. So simple, no? Now let's have a look here. Now in this, your plus into plus equals plus, plus into minus equals minus, those types of sums may come. So we must do the inner bracket first. All the other numbers remain the same. The brackets also you have to write the same. So 7 plus, okay? You can open the bracket or you can write in the bracket one single number. But let's open the brackets. 9 goes into 18 how many times? 2 times. See, the brackets open up by themselves. Bracket again, close the bracket, and plus 3. Now this sum can be done like this also. One more step. Some of you may get mixed up. So plus 2, 9 goes into 18 2 times, plus 3, because we have to multiply, okay? So let's do this step also. Or you can do it the previous way. So 7 plus, now we must open the brackets, plus into plus, plus 2, close the bracket, plus 3. Now 7 plus 2, 9, plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. And that's your answer. Okay, it seems simple, no? You just have to open the bracket once you get a single digit. Let's do this once more. So first we do this inner bracket. We write the same numbers. 9 goes into 18 how many times? 2 times. Close the brackets, plus 3. Now we have to open the brackets by multiplying the sign. 7 remains the same, plus into plus, plus 2. And this number 2 comes out. Close the bracket, the outside bracket, the box bracket, plus 3. Now we add and open the bracket. 7 plus 2, 9, plus 3. 9 plus 3, 12 is your answer. Now let's do this sum. I'm going to write it on top so that we have a bigger space. So let's rewrite the sum. 50 minus box bracket, semicircle bracket, divided by 5 into 7 and close the bracket. Ready? So which one we have to do? See, we have got two brackets, but we have to do this inner one first. So this number remains the same, 50 minus. We can open this brackets because we get a single number. 5 goes in 25 how many times? 5 times. And then this sign into 7. And close the bracket. Okay, did you understand this? 50 minus, we have opened the bracket, we have done the sum, 5 into 5 times, and this 7 comes here. There's still a bracket here, okay, at the end. Now, 50, first we must do what is inside the bracket, minus. 5 sevens are 35. Okay? Okay. 5 sevens are 35. Now when we open the bracket, we must multiply the sign also. So 50 remains the same. Now there's a minus sign in front of the bracket, and 35, there's no sign inside, so it means it is plus. So you must remember, when there's no sign, it is plus. So minus into plus, is that formula minus into plus? Minus 35. 50 minus 35, 15 is the answer. It's very simple, okay? Let us do this sum one last time. Ready? But a little faster. So, this 50 remains the same, bracket, do the sum that is in the middle, 5 goes, that is inside this semicircle bracket, 5, we have opened the bracket into 7, close the bracket, 50, keep that bracket, 5 into 7, 35, close the bracket. Now this 50 remains the same. Now we multiply the sign, minus into plus, minus 35. So 50 minus 35, 15 is your answer. So dear children, if you go step by step, and as you underline, you are going to do those steps, you will understand. But even though if you haven't understand, go back to the video and have a look. You will understand by looking at it twice or 3 times. It's very simple, but don't forget, in some sums we don't have to use that formula, plus into plus, plus into minus, minus into minus, minus into plus. But in some sums we have to use it. So, dear children, I hope you have understood. Take care and stay safe at home. See you till the next class. Bye.